Kaltura, creating quizzes in a video. Launch Editor. The Launch Editor is where you will edit your video. With the Launch Editor, you can insert a quiz or trim your video. Open any course. Go to My Media. Click on the checkbox next to the video you want to insert a quiz into. Click on the pencil icon and click Launch Editor. Or click on the video you want to edit, click on Actions, and click on Launch Editor. Creating a video quiz. Click on the quiz icon. Click on Start. The first page after clicking on Start will provide the following selections: Details, Scores, Experience. Details. Details allows you to revert the details of the quiz back to the defaults, change the quiz's name, show a welcome message. Students will get a message at the beginning of the video informing them that there is a quiz within the video. You can also edit the welcome message here. Scores. Under Scores, you can revert the score fields back to their defaults. Do not show scores. Students will get a thank you message at the end of the quiz. Show Scores will show the students the scores after the quiz is submitted. Include Answers. Students will be able to see the correct answers after they complete the quiz. Types of quiz questions. Choose the type of question you want to ask. You have 3 different question options: multiple choice, true and false, and reflection point. Reflection point is not actually a question, but an area where the video stops and has text for the student to interact with. Multiple choice. You can pause or move the timeline cursor to the time that you want to add the question to. Click on multiple choice and enter your question here. Ensure you put the correct answer in this box. Add your other choices here. Click Save. If you are done creating the quiz, click on Done. True or false. Select True or False as a question type. Pause or move the cursor where you want to ask the question. Click on True or False question. Click on the True or False question icon. Enter your question here. Click on the correct answer here and click Save. If you are done creating questions for the quiz, click Done. Reflection point. You can pause or move the timeline cursor to a time that you want to add a quiz question to. Click on the reflection point icon to open the dialog box and add your reflection point here. Click on Save. If you are done creating questions for your video, click on Done. There may be a time you want to offer students a hint to help them answer the question, or you want to give an explanation why an answer is correct. To give a hint, click on the light bulb icon. This is only available in multiple choice and true and false questions. Click on Hint to give a hint, and click Apply. To give a why, add your rationale here. Click Apply and click Save. If you are done adding quiz questions to your video, click on Done. Quiz navigation menu. Time. Shows the timestamp of where the video is currently. Arrows and the play button. Navigate through the quiz questions. Preview. View the video as though it is a finished product. Total queue. Shows how many questions are contained within the video. Show or hide audio. Show or hide the audio on the timeline. Audio details. Change the audio detail to show more or less. Best practices for quizzes. The following points cover the best practices as recommended by Kaltura for quiz creators. Be sure to shuffle your answers. All incorrect answer options should be plausible. It is not recommended to use all of the above and none of the above as wrong answer options. Make sure the question is meaningful by itself and represents a definite problem. Keep answers similar in length. Try not to create trick questions, but rather allow for constructive learning. Use only one correct answer and make sure that it is clear why the others are not the correct options. It is recommended to put the last question at the end of the video to keep the user engaged throughout the entire subject.